Hello viewers, my name is Oluwatoyin Kofu and you are welcome to another edition of InstaForex Nigeria Market Analysis. Today we'll be looking at the Euro USD for the week May 7th to May 11th, 2012. But first, let's have a review of last week. Last week was a very bad one for the Euro as the US dollar trended strongly against the Euro, making the price of the pair to drop to 1.3080 within the week. Monday was a dull day for the pair. The market traded averagely 30 pips for both up and down trend. 1.3234 was the opening price on Monday. The pair moved up to 1.3265 by 31 pips and went low to 1.3208 and finally closed at 1.3238 with just 3 pips in favor of the bulls. Tuesday was another indecisive day for the pair as it trended at almost equal move for both the bulls and the bears. The market opened at 1.3239 and closed at 1.3236, 3 pips additional to the bears. The bears moved with extra energy to push the market price to their favor by 110 pips on Wednesday as the market opened at 1.3237 and closed at 1.3158. What a great day for the bears. The market opened on Thursday at 1.3157 and closed at 1.3152, though earlier moved up to 1.3095, which was our first buy forecast, with take profit at 1.3145 for last week. We won our forecast by 50 pips, but the bear won the day's market. Congratulations to the bears once again. Friday was another great day for the bears as the market opened at 1.3151 and closed at 1.3063, profiting the bears with 63 pips. That was a wonderful week for the bears. The market opened at 1.3234 and closed at 1.3151 for last week, making some profit of 173 pips for the bears. Let's join the bears in sharing the cash. Join me to welcome Mr. John Igwe, the senior analyst of InstaForex Nigeria, to share with us what we may be expecting from the Euro USD pair this week. Hello Mr. John, nice to have you on this week again. How are you today?
I'm fine, Tony.
Alright then, very fine, thank you.
How was your weekend?
Beautiful.
Alright.
Splendid. Alright then, we just looked at the review of last week.
Yeah.
And what do you have to say about that? Last week's market?
That was really a bad one for the euro. Though we expected that it's going to be the bull's turn for last week, but the market later turned against the bull and favored the bears last week.
Alright then, let's go on. So this week, what should we be expecting from the market? I think
from the market, from the way things is, we are looking at the bull winning the game for this week.
Okay.
So let's just look at that.
So let's go to the platform and see what this week's good for us. Thank you.
All right. This week we'll be looking at some few forecasts for this week. The key levels that we'll be watching for this week is one is 1.3170, which is acting as a resistance and support level. And for this reason, we are asking you that you should place your sell at 1.3275. That is for the first sell for the week. Then the second sell, if the market moved down to 1.3182, you should also place your sell at that place. And then the take profit and stop loss can be an individual decision, but we look at about 50 pips as take profit, then 25 pips or thereabouts you can place that as your stop loss. Let's go over to the buy. The market, as we are seeing it, might move down to 2, 9, to 8, to 7. but we should place our buy first will be at 1.2818, 1.2818, and the second buy, if the market moved down there, is 1.2714. So looking at this, that's what we think the market will go for this week. But please remember to always make use of stop loss and your take profit. Thank you.
Alright then, there we have it. This week's analysis for May 7th to May 12th. For more information, please do visit our website on www.instafxng.com, and you could also find us on Facebook by visiting www.facebook.com/InstaForex Nigeria. Until next week, when we'll bring you another analysis of the market, do have a pleasant trading week. Thank you.